Hey guys, today's tutorial is about how to use W3Schools for your free code camp lessons, or if you just need extra help coding. So let's get into it. This is the W3Schools website. As you can see, there are tutorials, exercises, and lots of other things that you can explore on the website. W3Schools is basically a learning platform. It teaches web development and programming. It offers beginner-friendly tutorials, references, and interactive examples for languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and much more. Today I'm going to show you how I use W3Schools to help me with my free CodeCamp project. So here I have on the left my project open up, and then just my browser to open up W3Schools on the right. So as you can see, there's a lot of tutorials that you can search through. But if you have something specific you need to look up, for this project we're using HTML, so I'm going to click HTML. Now from here you could just scroll down and go through each tutorial and example one by one to learn. But if you're looking for a specific element that you need help with, you can go to the top left corner and click the drop down menu and just search for whatever element you need help with. So for example, for my project in FreeCodeCamp, I have to have a page title and an H1 element with an ID of title. So if I forgot how to do that, I'm going to go through the drop down and look for HTML ID. And it's going to tell me all about the attribute and how to use it. It's going to give me examples here. And from here I can basically see that the ID attribute specifies a unique ID for whatever HTML element that it is attached to. My favorite thing about this site is that you can also experiment with the code yourself. So if you click on try it yourself, here I'm just experimenting with the HTML text file to see what I can do to change the outcome on the right. I'm just changing the colors and padding, but you could do whatever you want to practice, and that's what's so great about this website. It's just really great for beginners or if you need to play around and practice with your code. Now moving on to how I used it for my free CodeCamp project, I'm going to go ahead and enter the heading element and the ID now that I know how to use it. Okay, your title should not be empty, so let's just make the background color blue. And we're going to make the text color white. But hold on, this must be wrong. The text color should be white, but it's still showing up as black. So what can we do? What I'm going to do is go to the W3Schools website and look up how to change the color of text. So it looks like I just had the code in wrong. It should be just color, not text color. This is a really good example of how quick and easy it is to just look up things that you're having trouble with, and there we go. All right. What else can we do? We can make the text align to the center. So honestly, you could just copy and paste, and there we go. So you can see that the code changed. What I'm going to do is, since all of this needs to go in my files on my project, I'm just going to go ahead and copy and paste what I have here. And the FreeCodeCamp website lets you preview your code as well. So you don't need W3Schools for this. You can just use it as a help tool to give you ideas for your code, or just as a refresher if you forgot something or need additional help. So I'm going to go ahead and run the tests. And it looks like we passed the first two that we just did. Also make sure you add the link to your CSS text file in your HTML file. So I'm going to copy and paste this, but if you forget where to put it or if you forget anything, you can always head back over to W3Schools. I'm just going to look up how to link my CSS file to my HTML file. It literally just tells you exactly how to do it. So using the copy and paste that I have from my FreeCodeCamp I'm going to link that. Okay, and if you click preview, it shows you exactly what you have. Basically, W3Schools website has everything you need to know about your coding, so feel free to use it for your project, and good luck.